Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about Molina Healthcare Review. Is it the right insurance for you? So first, Molina Healthcare is a managed care company that provides health insurance to individuals through government programs such as Medicaid, Medicare Advantage, and the Affordable Care Act or ACA Marketplace. Now, the pros of Molina Healthcare is first, affordable premiums. Molina plans are competitively priced, especially for Medicaid and Marketplace plans. They often have lower copays and deductibles compared to other providers in the same tier. Second, they focus on preventive care. Emphasis on wellness visits, screenings, and preventive health services at no extra cost. Access to programs for chronic disease management and maternity care. Next is wide availability for government programs. Strong presence in multiple states for Medicaid and ACA plans. Offers Medicare Advantage plans in select regions with dental, vision, and OTC benefits. Next, the telehealth services. Virtual visits include in many plans, helpful for routine care, mental health services, and minor medical issues. Next is the member resources. Mobile app and online portal for easy access to ID cards, claims, and provider searchers. Now, the cons of Molina Healthcare is, first, it has a limited network in some areas. Smaller provider network compared to big player like Blue Cross or United Healthcare. Some members report difficulty finding specialists or preferred providers. Next, mixed customer service reviews. Experiences with customer service vary. Some users report helpful support, others note long wait times and claim delays. Next, not ideal for frequent travelers. Coverage tends to be regional. If you travel often or live between states, network limitations could be frustrating. Next is complexity in claims processing. Some members have reported confusion over billing and slow claims processing times. Now, who is Molina Healthcare best for? It is good fit if you qualify for Medicaid or want an affordable ACA Marketplace plan, if you prefer low premiums and basic coverage with focus on preventive care, if you are looking for telehealth options and digital tools, and lastly, if you live in an area where Molina has strong provider network. Now, it is not ideal if you need frequent access to specialists or top-tier hospitals, if you travel frequently and need nationwide coverage, and lastly, if you expect premium customer service experiences. Now, Molina Healthcare is a solid option for those seeking affordable coverage, especially through government-subsidized programs. It's particularly well-suited for individuals and families who value preventive care, digital health access, and reasonable premiums. However, if you prioritize a broad network of providers or premium customer service, you might want to compare alternatives. And that's basically it.